Hi, Jai Gurudev. I am Shravan. I am an Art of Living volunteer, and I welcome you to another beautiful knowledge sheet of the book An Intimate Note to the Sincere Seeker by His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji. So let's begin. So today's knowledge sheet is Only Speak Knowledge, Find Comfort in Conflicts. This knowledge sheet is recorded on July 4, 1995, Toronto, Ontario in Canada. Only speak knowledge. Don't repeat anything bad that someone tells you about someone. And don't listen to someone who tells you that so and so said such and such about you. When someone comes to tell you such things, discourage them. Don't believe it. If someone blames you directly, don't believe in what they say. Just know that they are taking away your bad karma and let it go. And if you are one of the master's close ones, you will take all the blame of the world with a smile. When you blame someone, you take on their bad karma. When you praise someone, you take on their good karma. Surrender both good and bad karma to the divine and be free. Conflict is the nature of the world. Comfort is the nature of the self. Amidst conflict, find a comfort. When you are tired of conflicts and the games of the world, get into the comforts of the self. When you are bored with comfort, get into the games of the world. If you are one of the master's close ones, you do both simultaneously. People who love peace do not want to fight, and those who fight do not have peace. What is needed is to be peaceful within and then fight. Just trying to end a conflict only prolongs it. Instead, face the conflict while seeking the comfort of the self. Does this ring you a bell? This is the whole message of the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna tells Arjuna to be centered in peace and to fight at the same time. God is alive in the world and has been putting up with all conflicts throughout the ages. If God can put up with all these conflicts, you can too. And the moment you agree to be with a conflict, it no longer appears as a conflict to you. The nature of this world is that once you resolve one conflict, another arises. For example, Russia is solved, then Bosnia is in trouble. Or you get a cold, then you get better, then your back hurts, then it gets better. And when your body is fine, then the mind goes. Things in the world run this way, don't they? Without any intention, misunderstandings simply happen and conflicts arise. It's not up to you to resolve them. Just be with them and be alive. Jai Gurudev. Like every knowledge sheet, all you have to do is just close your eyes for a few moments and let this knowledge sink in. And let me know what you have learned from this knowledge sheet in the comment section. See you in the next knowledge sheet. Till then, goodbye. Also, if you like this knowledge, you just can subscribe the channel and press the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications daily. Thank you. See you.